Hi guys, Sean here from DigiDirect. Apologies on the low picture quality here, it's quite dark in here, but we are at Canon's announcement event for their new EOS R full-frame mirrorless camera. It's been rumored for a little while now, finally it's been properly announced. Just had a bit of a presentation, I just had a bit of a play with the camera. Being a mirrorless camera, obviously it's quite a bit smaller and lighter than their full-frame DSLRs. It does have a brand new lens mount on it, an RF lens mount. So this is different than the EOS M mount on their crop sensor mirrorless cameras, obviously different than the EF and EFS lens mount for their DSLRs. But you can take those EF and EFS lenses via an EF to RF adapter and put them on this new camera, which is interesting. Now they have also announced 4 native RF lenses at the same time as well. We've got a 35mm 1.8, a 50mm 1.2L, a 24-105 f4L, and a 28-70 f2L. So that's a zoom lens with a faster aperture than 2.8, which is very interesting. A couple of the quick specs: 30 megapixel sensor. It's got dual pixel autofocus, which it can use in 4K. And it also has 5,655 autofocus points, which is crazy. Canon has said that a main focus of this camera is going to be low light performance and autofocus speed. So I'm excited to try that a little bit more. I do have a hands-on session with the camera tomorrow morning. So in the next 24 hours or so, I'll put up a proper first look video, a hands-on video with a lot more details on the specifics of the camera. So stay tuned for that. But I just wanted to give you a quick announcement. It is out, it has been announced. So stay tuned for more information. We'll have that for you soon. Talk soon.